Hello everyone, I'm Mila from In Percent Hair Salon. Our model quite often uses curling irons and colors her hair every month. I choose Soft Waver. It's a cream-based product. It can moisture the hair after perming and creates hydration for curls with shine. Apply it to the wet hair and directly start the blow drying process or diffusing. This product is like a moisturizer. It gives you a lightweight volume and natural hair feel. It is perfect for the natural texture with curls look. Hope you like it!